Hello, this is Shenzhen Shenkin Intelligent Technology Company Limited. Today, we are going to show how to fast remove the LCD polarizer film. Firstly, test the LCD screen functions well. This is iPhone 6 LCD screen model. Place it on the mode base. Then place the LCD screen on the model. Turn on the vacuum pump. The LCD screen is stuck tightly on the mold. Use the preheated blade to remove the polarizer film. With the protection of the mold, it doesn't have any damage to the LCD and the flex cable, and will not hurt your hands. You see, the operation process is very fast and easy. Now, we are spreading some glue remover liquid on the LCD. This is a liquid specially made for removing polarizer glue. It can quickly soften the glue. When necessary, take one piece of the clean cloth, drip alcohol to slightly wipe. Now, turn off the vacuum pump. You can easily take away the screen from the mold. You see, the LCD with a new polarizer film still functions well after polarizer removal operation process.